How to fix Honeywell thermostat not working? Follow these instructions. Check if thermostat has power. Replace batteries or ensure power from HVAC system is properly connected. Reset thermostat by pressing the reset button or removing batteries for 60 seconds, then reinstall. Make sure mode is correctly set to heat or cool and temperature is set above or below room temperature. Inspect the circuit breaker and HVAC fuse. Reset breaker or replace fuse if blown to restore power. Check for loose or disconnected wiring behind thermostat. Turn off power before touching any wires. Clean inside the thermostat using a dry cloth or soft brush to remove any dust that may affect sensors. If none work, contact Honeywell support or HVAC technician for further troubleshooting or replacement. Thank you for watching.